Hi everyone. Today we will understand what are the top 5 problems in managing plastic processes. So one is inefficient resource utilization. That means inefficient utilization of human resource, because of which we sometimes miss delivery dates. A lack of collaboration among stakeholders, which causes review and validation delay. So what could be the solution for this? We need one holistic project management tool which integrate human resources, assets, deliverables, and it also automate the execution process. One more challenge is IP protection related challenges, where organizations are concerned about unauthorized access, deleting or overwriting of the information, data loss or data theft. So solution would be, we need one system which ensures comprehensive access control based on department and role inside the organization. One more challenge is error prone change processes, wherein we don't have traceability of the change, how many changes are going on and what stage those changes has reached. Inefficiency in change implementation, where we miss informing the stakeholders and sometimes change are not implemented accurately and comprehensively. Like product design change and tooling team is not informed for tool design change update or tool manufacturing update, and sometimes processes are non-uniform and inconsistent and stakeholders are not collaborating with each other. The solution would be one closed loop integrated change management which ensures the collaboration among the stakeholders of the change implementation. RFQ response challenge, it is a very big challenge for the organization because organization growth and sustainability depends upon an accurate and timely response to RFQs. But organizations generally have inaccurate RFQ response, decisions are based on intuition. We don't have real-time visibility of all the RFQs, how many RFQ has received and at what stage we are in terms of responding against those RFQs. We don't have proper accountability for all the stakeholders to understand why we are delaying the response or why our cost estimation are not accurate. Sometimes there are instances of cost overrun once the order is awarded and we are doing the manufacturing, and most of the times we are very slow in response to RFQs. Because of that, sometimes we are losing the orders also. The solution is one standardized system driven RFQ response process which collaborate all the stakeholders, and it also gives one software tool which gives us product cost estimation and tool cost estimation and profitability analysis based on process standardization and process automation. And as now we need to compete on the global level, we need to also meet the global requirements. On the global side, we have challenges like new materials are coming which are complex and customer want better, stronger, cheaper, lighter and greener product. But our material management philosophy works in silos, all the stakeholders are not collaborating. And as we need to meet global material regulation requirement, we should understand not only our compliance to the requirements but our complete supply chain. So solution is, we need one integrated material management solution which ensures that our compliance to material regulation and also keep track of the compliance of the complete supply chains against those global material regulation. So I hope you liked the 5 problems which is discussed and the solution which we have given against those. Thank you very much.